Before we start this video, do like and subscribe to our channel and not miss on any updates.
Hello everyone. So finally we are here to discuss the must-do questions for the upcoming examination. But before that, I want to discuss one more incident, and this came up after my recently concluded batch at Hyderabad branch American Revision. When I asked the students, did you look at the November 24 paper or the May 24 paper? What they said is, sir, questions are not repeated, so we did not check it in. I think that is not the right approach. So I'll just show you one past exam analysis of financial reporting itself. Now, if you see this past analysis of financial reporting, okay, and if you come to this Jan attempt and July 21 attempt, you see here 14 marks question is from Index 109, financial instrument loan to employees, financial instrument loan to employees. You can go back and check for yourself. So we cannot make a blanket statement that if a question is asked in the previous attempt, it will not be tested. And very important for all of us to check the level of difficulty in the previous examination so that we get confidence. Yes, if this paper was given to us, we would have completed it, we would have scored well in the examination. So even if you look at the past trend, we do a lot of trend analysis and all and try to predict the paper. Please understand, we are not astrologers. The important questions or the must-do questions that I am sharing with you ensures that it covers comprehensively most of the important concepts that is applicable for the examination. And will a question come from there? Yes, of course, because that is the source. The source is the study material, the past paper, the RTPs. Questions may be drafted in a new manner. That is also possible. So keep that thing in mind. And just one more dimension. Previous attempt, in day 16 we got 13 marks, 11 marks in the theory part, in the written part, and 2 marks in the descriptive part. Who would have expected 13 marks from one standard? Okay, so there are cases where you get questions back to back. There are cases where they will test in alternate attempts, but we cannot actually predict. Our job is not to predict the paper. Our job is to prepare properly, conceptually, and write the exams into the best extent possible. Alright, so that is about this past paper analysis. Now coming to the important questions list, what you can do is, you can, here itself you see, if you come back, we have uploaded in the notes section. See if find them. You can see important questions list for financial reporting. Okay, these are the questions. Very carefully I have selected based on my experience as a student, as a teacher, as an examiner, and I have figured out that okay, if you cover these questions, you will be able to do the examinations properly. Now, what are these illustration numbers? These illustration numbers are from the classroom solutions of my book. The PDF of the same is available in our Telegram channel. So you will find the link in the description. From the description, you can go join the Telegram link, and from there you can download the important question list. This list side by side, you can also download the actual question bank. Okay, so all the questions, and you can solve this. That is one thing. Now coming to examination, I am asking you to solve May 24 and November 24 along with May 25. May 25 RTP I have already uploaded. You can have a look at that or solve it on your own. But please solve May 24 and November 24 as well independently, because if you see, some adjustments are repeated back to back. Okay, sometimes they may not be repeated, but it will give you a good amount of confidence. And finally, coming to the examination, out of 30 marks of MCQ with absolute conceptual clarity, you must target 20 marks minimum 20 marks that you should be targeting. And in the balance 70 marks, consolidated financial statement business combination, here you get a 14 marks question typically, and out of these 14 marks, even if you make one or two adjustment mistakes, even if you are not able to complete the full question with some correct amounts in the balance sheet, with some correct amount in notes to accounts and working notes, we can target about 8 marks minimum. I am talking about minimum. Then we have financial instrument as a chapter. A lot of us are scared because it's a lengthy chapter, but friends, the type of questions are common. The type of questions which are tested are commonly tested, and about 80 to 90% of the questions you will be able to manage if you have done properly. So even if you get, let's say, a 10 or a 14 mark question here, our target should be to score about 8 marks here. So 20 marks here, 16 marks here. That itself takes care of 36 marks. And then we have simpler standards like 2, 16, 38, 40, where we can score better marks. So the plan should be not be scared of financial instrument, business combination or consolidation. Don't be scared at all, and try to score as much as possible in these areas plus MCQs. Alright, I hope the list you will find it to be useful, and you can, if you have any more question, if you need any more guidance, you can put it down in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to address them. Thank you and all the best.